Hey everybody, it's Chasey Poo, and today I am doing an unboxing for Peecock. They have just released the Gen 5 prosthetic. This company lately has just been banging them out. They did the Peecock inflatable, like that with the pump that like, if you don't know what I'm talking about, dear God, go to that video because what is happening? But now I have a brand new package right over here with the Gen 5, and I like looked at it online and I was like, what? It's like, I don't even know how to explain it. So let's just open it together. So first of all, the name that it comes from, because people always want to know, is it Peecock? Is it whatever? It says Mr. Tan. That's it. And then if we look at the declarations form, novelty item, material, silicone elastomer, no battery. That's it. So no one looking at that would ever know that you're talking about a big old wiener in here. Also, I may have gotten a new camera because the focus on my other one was bothering me a lot and broken. So hopefully now the focus is all on me and I don't have to stop recording in the middle of recordings. All right. Okay. Ooh. I think this is just plastic. Okay, there's two in here. Let's start with the first one. What do we got here? What do we got? Oh wow, everything's in one bit. Oh my goodness, what is this? All right, we got some condoms and lube, so that's fun. And then we have this. I'm trying really hard now to not like just rip open the package when I'm excited because I actually have to take pictures of what this looks like when you unbox it for my blog, because I do blog reviews now to give you a little bit more in-depth look, so there you go. Okay, there's a lot going on here. First of all, giant. This looks huge. And then we got this stuff. Okay, let's look at this thing first. Let's bring it up to the camera. So here it is. All right, again, this is an unboxing video, first impressions. I've never seen this before, I've never touched it, never felt it. So this is the time for you to go ahead and ask me questions so that I can answer that. What the hell is going on in here? Oh my goodness. All right, all right, so this one looks like lots of details, very, very soft. Now, what the hell is going on in here? What? Okay, so it looks like they're doing a modular design. Which is similar to Mormy. Okay, interesting. The silicone also looks very similar, but I'm not one to... What is this? Is this a stroker? Like, it doesn't have a hole on the other side. I don't know, maybe it's just like you put it in if you just want to use it as a packer, or you can take it out, because then you'll be able to pee with it, but I think you need an attachment to pee with it. Whoa, okay. The ball, you can take the balls out? Interesting. Oh, that's interesting. I understand that companies don't own like broad ideas, but this is very interesting. Modular design. Anyways, and then you have this. So if you're really wondering like what's the difference between the Peecock Gen 5 and the inflatable, this does not inflate. And this you can pee out of. Now, there is an attachment for peeing. Okay, I'm gonna be real right now. What? What is this? Okay, so I'm gonna assume that you put it in the hole. It's very soft though, I'll tell you that. See, my only issue here is that when you would pee, if it's not like directly aligned with the hole, then the pee would go into the prosthetic. That's the one thing that I'm like, interesting. Okay. That doesn't look bad, but again, I would just be nervous that if you pee, that the pee doesn't all come out. It actually just kind of like comes back into the prosthetic from the funnel. You know what I mean? That would just be my one. Maybe there's like a safety mechanism inside, something I'll explore while I'm exploring this prosthetic. And then we have this, which I'm assuming is for sex. All right, so they have this like little clip here that you, so let's just do this together. We're gonna put this inside. Oh my God, what? And then, okay, again, this is my first time seeing this. I literally just opened this in front of your eyes. So I don't know what I'm doing, but this clip is similar to the one from the inflatable, so there you go. Nice and snug fit. And then I'm assuming that with the harness, maybe it comes in here, it's the same harness as the one from the inflatable. It goes on there so you can just wear it. So this is for sex. Oh, I hate that sound, my God. But it's very hard. So compared to their other, like the other Gen 4, whatever, Gen 3, it was good for sex, but like not super hard. This is very interesting. I'm very, very interested in seeing how this plays out for like every day. I think they sent me a smaller one, so maybe I'll wear the smaller one to the gym and stuff like that, and to see if I can actually use it for packing and play and all of that stuff. Very interesting, because I'm assuming here nothing's rubbing against you, which I don't like. But if you have that harness that I'm talking about, there is an attachment that you can use that rubs against you, which is really good. It's the breaker, by the way, if you're interested. I know this is just an unboxing, but whatever. Okay, let's open the other one. I don't know about this. Oh wait, something else just came out. What is this? Oh, if you want to just use it as a packer, you do need kind of like a harness thing. So I'm assuming this just fell on the floor. So I'm assuming it went away. And then here, and then how does it? I don't know. Oh, I should have opened this one first. There's actually instructions. Oh my, there's a lot of components here. Pack, pee, play, and it tells you all the stuff. Oh, and how to use the harness, and how to use adhesive. Cool, cool, cool. And the Velcro method, which, by the way, listen, I don't know how no one has come up with this before, but adhering Velcro to your body and then putting the prosthetic on it and it actually working? I don't think that was on my 2024 bingo list, but wow, am I surprised. If you want to actually see what that looks like, by the way, I have so many videos right now on my Fansly page, so I'll link that down there. But let's open up this. This is much smaller. I like this better. So it comes with the same stuff. Okay, so no harness, I'm assuming, because I already have the harness from the inflatable. So in the full review, I will show you what that looks like, and obviously show you what like all of these different components look like as well. All right, so instead of like opening everything up because you know what's happening here, because this is just smaller, I'm just gonna show you the difference in size. All right, so this is what the smaller one looks like close up, by the way. And then if we, whoa. Okay, so they didn't just make it longer. I think they made it girthier, maybe? A little bit, which is good. I feel like companies don't usually do that. They just make them longer. There is definitely a significant increase. That's like 1.5 inches. But obviously when I do the full review, I'll give you all of the like details and things like that. Do feel like the balls might be a little too big still, but we'll see. And again, the modular design is suspicious, but the balls coming out, I mean, I'm just gonna play with this. If I'm being real, it's like a stress ball and you can move it around. They have like silicone nailed it. I don't know how to explain, but like it's very impressive. Also, I just want you to see what it looks like when the balls are like not in there, and you can literally plug up the thing that's in there for like when you're packing. I'm gonna have to figure out what all these names are. Anyways, this unboxing is like literally all over the place. I'm so sorry. I really did not expect this stuff. I'm very impressed. I'm very intrigued, and I can't wait to see how it goes with packing, how it goes with peeing especially, and with playing. Because that's literally the most common question I get asked. I'm not even joking. What's the best pack and play? I always answer, honestly, there's no good one. You're always gonna sacrifice something and it sucks. But the best one on the market is gonna be Peecock. Peecock has like the Gen 3 or the Gen 4, whatever. The best bang for your buck that will do all three things. Maybe not all very well, but you'll be able to get things done. And I do really like the Gen 4. It's a good prosthetic, but nothing's ever perfect. So I know I'm gonna do this in the full review, but I just want you to see how beautiful this is. This is generation 2, 3, 4, and 5. Isn't that cute? But I'll do actually I could just do a full comparison of all of these. And one of them came uncut. I wonder if this one will come uncut as well. I don't know. Let me know what you think. So the best thing that you can do right now, because if you're interested in actually buying this, write a comment. Write down a question. Let me know what you actually think about this and what you want to know about it. Is it good for rough sex? Is it good for anal? Is it good for wearing a jock strap? Is it good for just like flopping around? Can you literally ask me anything, because I want to make sure that I answer your questions. I'm not the one buying this, you are, and I want to make sure that you're happy with your purchase. And before that, you have to ask me all the questions. So go ahead and ask. I'll put all of the information that I possibly can in the review video. Sorry this was a long unboxing, but I really was surprised by what was in here. So exciting. I don't know why I keep holding the old versions. So I was just looking back here, and it does come with harnesses. So I'm assuming that this thing with the harness, I don't really know. There's like little attachments inside as well. I'll figure this out during the review, for the review. Okay, I don't know. Anyways, check out my blog and other reviews. Love you. Bye.